Hey guys, so I'm back with red hair now. My name is Yaaaay, and if this is the first time to this channel, please subscribe if you haven't. So I went from blonde to red hair, and if you think that this is all false locks, no, it's my real hair. I know the lot of people say, oh, carrying hair is very boring, it's for dead people. You know, I've been rocking mine for like 5 years, and I am enjoying every bit of it. And of course, I don't have any plans for 10 times, so please don't ask me when I'm going to, because I know a lot of people that, you know, this hair is our hair, we are growing it together, all of us. This hair, want to see how long the hair can be before we decide to cut it. Okay, so but after I dyed my hair, I noticed that a lot of I felt a slight difference to the texture of the hair. It felt a bit more drier, and you know, it was always pulling off. So I figured, I went on YouTube as usual, and I did a bit of research, and I found out that some of the ingredients in the dye, because I think the one I used was the natural dye, can dry out the hair, so you need to moisturize often. So one of the things suggested was Rosewater. You know, this Rosewater I got from the supermarket, the Rosewater from anywhere, to just wet the tip of the hair. And then another one is use shea oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil for your scalp, so that it's always moisturized and oily. So I'm just going to do a quick, you know, that's the way to maintain, you know, just a quick 5 minutes to just make sure that it gets wet. You know. And I like the way Rosewater smells. You know, just wet it. And then that's it. So I'm doing this to the body of the hair, so it's a bit hydrated. So you see now that Rosewater can actually be used for different things, for your hair, for your skin, for your face. You must have. And that's it. Looks a bit better now. If you're not as adventurous as I am, you probably might want to stick to saner colors like brown, something very natural, not so loud or daring, something just calm. So that's it. It's drenched in Rosewater. Tip, and then that's it. So just put enough, and then that's it. You have the hair moisturized for the day. And then you can get the spray can too. You just put water and oil, and then you just a quick fix in the morning before you go, because the hair needs hydration. So now I'm going to use this Light Hair Grow. I got it from Light Beauty. You know, like I said, it has a mixture of oils, so just use it on my scalp. It is very important for the scalp. Oh, just put it on my scalp. This smells really nice. So it takes away that dryness. So for those of you that say, that locks is healthy, I don't do anything. I don't even bother putting anything. Just, you know, maybe once in 2 weeks or once in 3, or when I even remember. You know, and that's when I do all this. Or I feel that the scalp is dry and itchy, I just put it. So I don't go ahead and put too much treatment. And then voila, that's all. Very easy, quick. So with this I can rock for another, say 6-7 months, until I get tired of the color and decide to go and change again, maybe to like a green or a blue, who knows. For me, it's freedom. It's very easy to maintain. I'm not a hair person that you buy. I'm just very wake up in the morning, good to go. I wanted to just something very low maintenance, because that can still make me look like a girl. You know, that's the hair. You know, I didn't want to look cut. I just want to look like a girl. And these are just very easy to maintain. ways after you have dyed your hair, how to maintain dreadlocks after you have dyed it. Just put your rose water and your oil, on your scalp. For me, dreadlock is freedom. I actually like freedom. It gives me, I don't have to worry about combing my hair, texturizing, moisturizing, whatever. Just wake up and I'm good to go. And these are one of the ways. This dyeing your hair is one of the ways you can rock your hair more and make it look more interesting, as if you're just looking very boring and bland and just there. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, you can ask me below where I look, how much I look for, who styles my hair, whatever. Just ask me in the comment section and I promise to reply. To my next post or to my next video. Have fun, guys. Bye.